Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're literally transforming how you look at a trip to the doctor. We're going to build a practical, empowering guide for you, the patient, to navigate this thrilling and, yeah, sometimes a bit overwhelming new world of medical AI. I mean, whether you realize it or not, the landscape of medicine is shifting right beneath our feet, and I want you to be fully prepared for it.
Okay, let's dive right into this. If you think artificial intelligence in medicine is just some far-off futuristic concept, well, consider this. A staggering 80% of US healthcare organizations are already using AI in some capacity today. That's huge. This isn't science fiction anymore, folks. It's the current active reality of our medical system. It's happening at a massive scale right now.
So here's a roadmap for today's explainer. First, AI is already here. Second, we'll look at wearables and personalized feedback. Third, changing the clinic experience. Fourth, a quick warning on protecting your privacy. And fifth, early detection of complex diseases.
All right, let's jump into part one. AI is already here.
You might actually be surprised to learn that you're likely interacting with AI right now without even realizing it. To really set the stage here, let's look at this fantastic quote from a board-certified surgeon who was recently discussing this exact topic. They said, "I grew up watching the Jetsons. In many ways, stepping into healthcare is like stepping into that future world where we're able to solve complex problems with incredible efficiency. I just love that. It perfectly captures that feeling of awe. The level of efficiency coming to the medical field is truly incredible, and honestly, it's opening doors we literally never thought possible."
Moving right along to part two, wearables and personalized feedback. So we're taking this advanced technology right out of the doctor's office and putting it directly onto your wrist. Lots of us are already wearing smartwatches and health trackers, right? But AI is taking that standard data to an entirely new level. Everyday AI tracking doesn't just, passively count your steps or monitor your heart rate anymore. It actually analyzes that specific data to provide real-time, highly personalized feedback on what you could do differently. And this is absolutely crucial. The feedback you get is completely different from the feedback I get, simply because it's tailored to your unique biology. Plus, if you're managing multiple prescriptions, AI-powered apps are now helping patients perfectly track exactly when to take those medications. It's basically a game changer for your daily health journey.
And this brilliantly illustrates the difference between the old way and the new way of handling our health questions. Let's say you're feeling a bit dizzy. A generic search bot? Well, it's just going to spit out a list of basic website links. But an AI health app acts like an interactive guide. It'll actually tell you the potential causes, give you the exact questions you need to ask your doctor, and, perhaps most importantly, highlight urgent red flags. It gives you context and actionable steps that you just can't get from a standard, run-of-the-mill internet search. Okay, section 3, changing the clinic experience.
Let me ask you a quick question. Think about the last time you had a medical emergency. What is the one universally dreaded thing about having to go to the emergency room? Yep, it's the wait. Absolutely no one wants to sit around in a waiting room when they feel terrible. But get this, AI is stepping in to actually fix this. Hospitals are actively attacking that dreaded wait time by using predictive data to analyze exactly when they'll be at their absolute busiest. By knowing these peak times in advance, they can staff doctors and nurses appropriately to handle those specific surges. So, what's the end result for you? It means faster access to care and breakthrough therapies, rather than spending endless hours just sitting in a waiting room chair staring at the clock. But hey, what if you don't even need to go to the hospital at all? Telemedicine is now using AI-driven tools to let rural patients connect with top-tier specialists and get remote diagnoses without ever needing to leave their local community. I mean, this is a total game changer for equitable access to care. As our population expands and, we face all these questions about potential doctor shortages, expanding our virtual care capabilities through AI ensures that more people get the specialized attention they need, no matter where they happen to live.
Now for section 4. Warning, protect your privacy. So, as your guide through this whole medical landscape, we absolutely have to establish some clear and non-negotiable safety boundaries for you as a patient. And the crucial point is this: AI is not HIPAA compliant. Let that sink in for a second. When you visit a human doctor, they have a strict moral, professional, and legal obligation to protect your privacy. An AI chatbot? It has literally none of those obligations. It is incredibly important to remember that you're interacting with a piece of software here, not a sworn medical professional. Because of that lack of compliance, I've got some highly practical, actionable advice you definitely need to follow. Do not, under any circumstances, input your full medical history or your complete list of prescriptions into an AI chatbot.
While these apps are super helpful for asking general questions or maybe getting guidance on a symptom, there are inevitably things about your health that you simply do not want made public. You've got to actively guard your own data.
And that leads perfectly into this rather reassuring thought. AI is just another tool in the toolbox. It is absolutely not a replacement for your human doctor. It's working as part of what your doctor uses, not independently of them. So please, don't feel intimidated or threatened by this technology. Your doctor is still firmly at the steering wheel. AI is really just providing them with a much, much better map. All right, our final part, Section 5, Early Detection of Complex Diseases.
Let's move to this next point and see how this all builds. Because if we look toward the future, the trajectory is incredibly hopeful. AI is capable of taking in vast amounts of data, rapidly analyzing things like biopsies, CT scans, and MRIs. Because it can process all this visual data so much faster than the human eye ever could, it starts finding invisible patterns. And this leads to the ultimate breakthrough, diagnosing complex diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's even before the physical symptoms are present. The faster AI can input this massive amount of medical information, the vastly better your outputs, your treatments, and ultimately your survival rates will be. It's truly revolutionary for patient care.
And it doesn't stop there. Once a diagnosis is made, AI continues to assist right into the operating room. Robotic surgery guided by these highly precise data-driven tools means smaller incisions for the patient. And people are actively seeking this out right now because smaller incisions mean preserving your normal life and ensuring a vastly better, quicker surgical recovery. It's just phenomenal.
Which brings our whole narrative full circle, right back to where we started today. I'm living the Jetsons every day in healthcare. When you actually understand how AI is predicting your ER wait times, connecting remote patients to specialists, and detecting cancer earlier than ever before, well, this massive high-tech shift becomes a whole lot less scary, doesn't it? It actually becomes a tool of profound empowerment.
So as you go forward and navigate this brand new medical landscape, keeping those vital privacy boundaries in mind, of course, I want to leave you with this final thought. How will you safely utilize your next AI health tool to take charge of your own patient journey? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. And hey, stay curious.